Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the April Earfleek. So I didn't get this last month, and I didn't really think I was going to get it this month. And I know it's on the 15th it did come out, so I guess we will be unboxing it. And I hadn't really just forgot about it until I seen that money had been taken out of my account. But because really I don't wear the I wear earrings, but I don't really wear these a lot. Um, so it comes in this. They used to come in a little itty, like a envelope about like this big and probably about this long. And I do like the extra protection because I have got a few pairs broken. So I give them thumbs up for that. Okay, so we got our little cards to referral friend. We always get them. And the little baggie it comes in. These are really cute. The special little touch. For $3.75, I think they're really going above what they should be because they're really putting it in the bubbles. I understood the envelope because you're paying $3.75 and you're getting a pair of earrings and it's shipping at $3.70. You know, it's $3.75 and they ship and they do everything. So I did get why they done the little bag, and I think, stepping it up and putting them in bubbles and putting them in a little bag is going the extra mile, which I'm about to have sure probably cuts down on their profit, but it is cute. Okay, so there's a little card in here. This is let me get it to focus. $15.99 is USD price, and we only paid $3.75, $3.50, $3.75. It's something like that. Maybe it's like $3.50, and then if your first month is $1.75, you normally get half off. Okay, these are cute. Here they are. Little star with a moon in them. They're half white, half yellow. They got glitter in them. They are really adorable. And they're gold, not real gold, of course. We do have to clean them. I did bring something to clean. Always clean your earrings with alcohol or jewelry. I do have something like to clean earrings with that I did buy, but normally I use alcohol. You should always, before putting a pair of earrings in, you should always clean them with alcohol, just to make sure that you don't get ear infections or anything like that. Because you really don't know where earrings has been. You don't know who's touched them. You don't know what's touched them. So to be on the safe side, always make sure you clean them with alcohol. But I do think these are cute. We will try them on. So here they are. A little closer. They are so cute. So I do think they're cute. Now, me wearing them, I don't know if I'd wear them or not. They are cute. Maybe I might try to wear them. Because I don't want to get stuff that I'm not going to use or wear. Because I think it's a waste of money and a waste of getting stuff and you're just stacking it up and not using it. I do have a lot of earrings that I do buy on my own, and because normally I like to normally wear sterling silver because I think it looks better with my skin tone, and I don't know, I kind of my ears are very sensitive. That's why I always make sure, even when I take them out and put them back in, I always clean them with alcohol because my first toes do really good. But starting up on my second and third, and this one don't bother me, but these two right here, and sometimes the third hoe up here does. But I get very sensitive to other stuff, so I watch what I'm doing and wearing in my ears. So normally sterling silver or gold doesn't bother me, but I don't know, I like the look of sterling silver myself because I think where I'm cool toned, I just think it looks better on me. But I do think these are really cute, and if I don't wear them, I could probably give them to my niece or something. She would probably like them. But I do think they're really cute. I will leave the information down for Earfleek down below if you'd like to try it for yourself. Normally, I think there have been offering like for 3 months now when you try sign up, and if it's not a free month, you will at least get like I think 50% off. I got 50% off my first time. And if you have any troubles, they're really quick. They really work at it and you get your stuff to you. But here is the card if you would like to do it like that. Um, but if not, I will leave the information down below if you want to try it for yourself. But I guess that is it. You only get to unbox one pair of earrings, so this ain't another long video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I hope everybody is staying safe still. I know quarantine's getting to a lot of people, and I've seen a lot that, people's really getting aggravated. They want to get back out in the world, but it's coming. We will get out soon. So just remember that. Keep your sanity and stay safe. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.